see, kind of missed a lot of video. The body's already off the pan. See how rusty it is. It's going to be a lot of work. We'll be pulling up a parts bug later today. Let's see the brace welded on the inside. Keep the body from trying to twist or bend. Cleaning up some of the rust and acorns and whatever the heck else is in this thing. Have to walk down to the parts bug and see if we can figure out how we're going to get it up here, because it doesn't roll. Here's the parts car. A lot less rust. Have to try and see if we can figure out how to get the body off. You can see it's already loose from the pan. See it's picking up pretty good. Manpower right there. Hell, we should have just used the horses. That was sick, dude. Come on, dude, get in. Drive this thing.
Oh shit.
We walked it from all the way down there, all the way up here. This guy was no help.
Yeah, you're right.
Appreciate it.